Hi, I'm Lesley Logan. Let's do the standing roll up together.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
So roll up on the mat, one of the hardest ones, one of the exercises I get the most questions about, and the standing one is challenging but possible and super helpful for helping you do a roll up on the mat. Also super great for getting your roll up practice in without having to get on the ground. So there's two ways of doing it. First, you want to do the one that I'm going to show you because this is the one that's going to prepare you for the second way. Okay, so there's no skipping ahead here. You want your heels together, toes apart. Your arms are going to go up. And then I'm going to do it from the side so you can see what I'm talking about. We're not going to stick the booty out and lean back to go forward. We are actually going to stay up here, and you're going to round up and over yourself. Your hips stay over your knees stay over your heels, and you roll down as far as you can, keep it all together, and then you lift your waist up and your arms are up by your ears. Here are some things people do. You stick the booty out, or then you roll up, and look at this. The arms are down here. That is not by the ears. That's not what I said, right? So they got to be here. And they're by your ears, and then they're by your ears. Why? It's actually going to help you with your push-ups. It's going to help with your roll-up. It's part of a lot of exercises, so you want that practice there. It's going to help you connect your arms to your back. Now, if that's going well, you're going to combine the standing tendon stretch to the standing roll-up. That looks like this. Your heels are together, toes apart. Your heels lift up. Your arms come up, and you round forward, and you roll up with those heels up. All the weight is even across those toes, round forward, and roll up. And I promise you your inner thighs become your best friend on that because you need them. You also get a really good amount of hamstring strength, especially if you're not locking your knees out and sticking your butt out. So if you have questions about that exercise, feel free to put it in the comments below. I love the standing roll up. If you're an OPC member, you know this. If you're not an OPC member yet, check us out, onlinepilatesclasses.com/YouTube. You get on-demand classes with the accountability of going to an in-person class and the feedback on your form like if you were in person. So check us out, onlinepilatesclasses.com/YouTube.